Hi guys, this is Nivetha from NYN IT Solutions. Today we are going to see about QR code and barcode generation using inbuilt Zoho Creator Forms field. So previously, we will write the workflow script to generate the QR code and the barcode in Zoho Creator. So now the Zoho has released the update which provides us a separate field to generate this QR code and the barcode. So simply the QR code and barcodes are the machine readable codes that are used for storing data. If users have generated a QR code or barcode, it contains the input they want to enter in any of the fields, such as a single line, multi-line, decimal, currency, number, URL, etc. So they just simply scan to get the input and they can store it in the particular QR code or barcode field. So it is a very useful for the end users also. They can generate by themselves. So let us see with an example. I have created one item form which contains some field, item name, SKU, description and status. I'm going to show you how the QR code and barcode field works here. So for that, I'm going to edit this form. So here we can see the QR code and barcode field. I'm just going to drag and drop here. So it will ask you what is the type of code you want. For first, I will show you how to work on a QR code. So we can input any data or we can just insert the fields which we used in this form. So it will show you only the text fields like that. So for SKU, we are going to generate a QR code. So I'm selecting the SKU field here. And I'm going to add this field here. Okay. So now I'm refreshing this form. And I'm going to give any input I want. So let's try it and so now we can access the report. So we can see the QR code generated here. So if we scan this QR code in the mobile, I can get the data 48676. So this SKU value will show in my mobile. Now we can move to the barcode generation using a QR code barcode field. So for that, I'm going to create another QR barcode field. I'm just going to drag it here and I'm going to change the code type into barcode. So it will ask you to select the barcode type. It will have a multiple formats. I'm going to select the code 128 and I'm going to give the input data. So I want to generate a barcode for the SKU field. So I insert that field. Now we can select add field. So the field is generated here. Now we can check with another example. So now you can see the barcode is generated for both the items I have created. So if we scan this barcode in the mobile, it will show the SKU value which I provided in this field. So it also displays here, you can see it. So this is how we can use this inbuilt field inside the Zoho Creator form to generate a QR code and a barcode. So using this field, we can save maximum time and it will also be useful for the end users. Without the developers' help, they can able to create the codes for their items. So it will be very useful in the building process like that. Hope this video will be helpful. We can see another topic in the next video. Thank you.